Hello, now I'm going to talk about another AI image generator tool that is Remove.bg. Remove.bg that is used for to remove background in images, widely used by e-commerce sellers, marketers, designers, content creators for its accuracy, for its speed. And actually, with one click and high resolution output, with high resolution, enhanced editing tool, bulk processing, API access developers to integrate with custom application make this AI tool very unique. You can see that here this the options for upload. You can easily upload the pictures, but you want to remove the background. You can also edit as a bulk. We can also work with API. You can also use some plugins it is actually used for developers. They can actually integrate this plugin with this platform AI generated tool. So these are the some stunning quality products like people, animals, cars, graphics. So these are the example how it actually covered all in one AI background remove and generator. And for magic it have some magic brush options, and it can have some for marketers, like it can have some photo editing for advertise, because it is very vital matter for any marketers, how to marketing or how to do selling in social media or for e-commerce. Also it can have you can just the look at the product, and it can remove the background and make the product more appealing, more interesting. And it also ready for Amazon, eBay, e-commerce, different popular site. It can save time and save money. And for like media, we can check that to remove background, like this the options, like easily one can delete the background or remove the background and make the photo more enhanced, more upscaled, more uh, appealing. So but for the free plan, only one person can generate one image per month. And for bulk, you have to make some planning, subscribe planning, like pro plan or standard plan you have to have. Thank you.